Hey, what's up? So this question in LeetCode called duplicate emails. So write a SQL query to find all duplicate emails in a table named person. So duplicate means that it appears more than once, right? So in this table we will only return a@b.com because this email appears only once, so we don't need it. We will only return the duplicate ones. So if you think about it, if we grouped the table by email, so for example like this, so select email from person, group by email, this will return, or this will group the table by email, and we need to find now all the emails that have a count of bigger than one after the group. We can actually use a statement called having. So having count email bigger than one. This will work after grouping by. So that should be it. So we will group them by email, then filtering where the groups are bigger than one, which means this email exists more than once. Right? Makes sense. So submit. Or at least it makes sense to me. I hope it makes sense to you. But having works on the group level, not on the row level. Okay, so you will use it after you group by. I'm pretty sure there is some cases where having and where will behave the same if you think about it, but to be honest, that it's not on top of my head right now. So yeah, it's fast, as you can see, it's good. So thank you.